Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open a PayPal account on your phone. First, you'll want to download the official PayPal application from your device's App Store. It's available for both Apple iOS and Android operating systems. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection, like Wi-Fi or a strong cellular signal, to ensure a seamless and quick setup. This initial step is crucial for a successful account creation. Next, open the PayPal app and tap the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your mobile phone number. PayPal will then send a 6-digit verification code to that number via text message. Enter this code into the app to confirm your phone. After that, you'll need to provide your full legal name, a valid email address, and create a strong, unique password for your new account. Remember to keep your password confidential. Now it's time to link a payment method to your PayPal account. You can choose to link a bank account by providing your bank's routing and account numbers. Alternatively, you can add a debit or credit card by simply entering the card number, expiration date, and security code. PayPal might send 2 small deposits, typically less than $1 each, to your bank account for verification purposes. This ensures your account is secure and ready for transactions. Finally, enhance your account's security by enabling 2-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, requiring a second verification step when you log in. Before you start using your account, take a moment to review and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. Once completed, your PayPal account is fully set up, and you can confidently begin sending and receiving money, making online purchases, and managing your finances with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.